Hey guys, welcome back to That LI Garage, and today we got a special treat for you. We got our new build, the unveiling of the new project. I'm super excited about it, and this car under here is literally my childhood dream car. This is a car that I had my posters in my house. There's a movie that I will reference later in the video that was the part that I saw it and I was like, that's the one. Anyways, so this car is absolutely awesome, amazing. This is a great build. This is a car that I wanted forever, but also my girlfriend told me, we were discussing and we said, one way that we can spice up this channel is, yeah, we have the fake GT3 build, which is really technical and everything, but it's actually not a GT3. It's not a GT3, okay? But so don't start guessing it. You could guess, type in your guess, but it's fine. Anyway, so she said, we need another car to spice up the channel, and what better than my childhood dream car? So it's out of my budget. She helped me out and everything, but for the most part, I was looking for an older one because you'll understand later. But it was a lot cheaper. This one is way out of budget on a normal occasion, on a normal situation. But you know how crazy it is with all the election and all this stuff. So the day after the election, I jumped onto the internet and I went onto the auctions that I get these cars off of, and I noticed that in every given room of the auction, there was a lot less people. Normally, there's 3,000 to 4,000 people or participants in that room. This time there was 400 or 500. So I called her up. I told her I think it's the day. There's one up. We know how much these go for, but we might get lucky only because nobody's watching the auctions. So lo and behold, time came for it. You know, I didn't even expect that I was gonna get it. Honestly, I didn't even expect. These things go way out of our budget. So I was on my phone with it. I didn't even really take it that serious. So I see the car coming up, and it was really low still. So I see somebody bid up. So I outbid him. That guy outbid me again, and I was just like, we were still under the budget that we discussed, and I was just like, bid, 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 and then I won it. I was just like in shock. I was like, buddy, we won it! We won the car! We won it! Anyways, so we won the car. We got the car. The car came from Illinois. Had to come here. That's a whole story within itself. In the next skit, I'll tell you that I'll keep you up to date on that part of the story. But I know you guys will enjoy it. I will enjoy it. There's a lot to learn on this build, and stay tuned. So today is Thursday, and my truck driver gave me this truck driver sucks. Okay, sucks. So this car came from Illinois, and it was supposed to be here on Monday. He said it'll be here on Monday, and then Monday came, and he said, oh, his truck broke down, and he is gonna come later on that week. I'm on pins and needles at this point. I'm like, send me pictures of the car. He sends me pictures of the car. The car is at an angle up and down, and one of the rear taillights is missing now. I got really upset. I mean, I didn't mention anything to him yet. I just asked him if it's inside the car. Hopefully it is. Maybe it was loose. He took it off. I'm gonna give him the benefit of a doubt. But all the parts for these cars are expensive, so having to buy another taillight will suck highly. Next situation is so it's Wednesday. He told me he'll be here Wednesday. Wednesday comes, nothing. Call him, no answer. Called the broker. He said, oh, this happened, that happened. He'll be there tomorrow, first thing in the morning. Thursday morning, that's today. Thursday morning, I get here, nothing. So I call him. He said, oh, I'll be there between 5 and 6. I said, okay, because I need the forklifts. The forklifts at 5 o'clock, they leave, and I need them, because I'll be there between 5 and 6. But, you know, every time I call, you know, it's calling like 2, 3, 4 times because he doesn't pick up right away. So I'm actually waiting for him right now. So then he says, okay, he didn't say, his broker. I spoke to his broker, and his broker says, oh, he'll be there at 9 o'clock today. Now it's 9:19. Okay. So then I'm waiting. I have no forklifts to take this thing off. I don't know how to take this car off. We'll figure it out, I guess. But at least it's on the way. We'll see. So yeah, I was on a few Snapchats or chats with my friends, and we're all making fun of my situation. That they're saying, he said, so at 5 o'clock, he said he's in Brooklyn, and that's about an hour and a half from here. And so he says, yeah, I'm leaving. I'm gonna eat and then leave. And then he sends me a picture. He sends me a picture of him in Brooklyn. like I really care. But you know what really pissed me off is that he took a picture of like the front of his car, but it was a car. He's in a car. He's not. He should be in a truck. If he's a truck driver driving, like, oh, there he is. There he is. Got him. Okay. I think so. Okay. So I'll tell you the rest of the story after. Oh, so he's finally here. 9 something. He finally came. And we'll see what happens. How the car looks when I see it. The taillight's there. How I'm gonna get the car off the truck. I have no idea. So stay tuned, because today's a show for me too. Who knows what's gonna happen? Here she is. Here she is. Here she is in all of her glory. Can't wait to get her on the lift. See, oh my God, this is my first time ever looking at her. Oh my God, this is exciting. This car is mine. I can't believe it. Not even that bad so far, not so bad.
Or I mean, yeah, go ahead.
All right, guys. So before we go on with the video, the car came. It came. I'm gonna give you the story later how it came. But when it did come, it kind of fell off the truck when we were trying to take it off. He was supposed to come here earlier because I had forklifts ready for him. So don't hate on me, please. I did whatever I can do with whatever tools I had. It is what it is. This car in the position that it is in right now is already 3 episodes later or 2 episodes later. So we'll catch you guys up. Just watch this. This one is the reveal, and the next one we're gonna start working on this thing, tearing apart into this car. So keep watching. over here on the body. Actually, not even that bad. If we pull it, it's gonna go straight. It's gonna just destroy the whole back. Oh. All right.
So you're afraid to make a damage, right, on the car?
What?
You're afraid to make a damage on the car, right?
Of course. I don't want to fix it. That one's in here. So now we gotta jack it up and put this dolly under this wheel. That's what we gotta do. Foot brake.
Good. Fine. Want to go inside? Off. These temperatures off. Let him wash now, you get the plane.
Still put it straight up close to the wall.
That going in the face.
Oh, I can't wait to get into this thing. Tear it apart. See what she needs. Get her running right. Get this little girl riding right. Trying to mimic the performance that these cars have, and there. Oh my God, I cannot wait to drive it. I honestly never driven a 911 turbo. I've driven many of 911s, not a 911 turbo. I can't wait. I can't wait. This is a dream come true. So last but not least, y'all know, if you ain't got haters, you ain't popping. Peace out, everybody.